my name is Jay. In this video we are going to talk about how do the dimension and measure of Tableau is basically like when I choose dimension and measure within Tableau, how do it's going to reflect in my visualization. What all are the visualization in general, like how it reflects the selections and then the selection causing the change. Let's start here. Let me start with a country, maybe if I choose a country that works perfectly. Cool, then yeah, if I choose a country, look at it here, this comes in basically like this is a what is a symbol map, and then this is a filled map, basically map, simple as that. So like if you wanted to start it, yeah, at least one geographical map is needed. Maybe if I choose, maybe country may not be the right one because we got only USA in the sample superstore data. I would go for the state, and then I would choose either filled map or the symbol map. Either ways you choose it, you get the respective selections further. Maybe if you wanted to get the states into different colors, you get a different colors. Cool, simple as that. So this is what an idea of that one. Now parallelly, let me take the other one. Yep, you could have seen that, noticed latitude and longitude is being automatically getting generated. We are not generating latitude and longitude. Tableau has its own repository to understand what it is actually, and then it produces latitude and longitude by default along with the country or state or city, whatever that the selection that we are causing on. So let's start with profit. If I click profit, look at it here, it's just one measure comes in like bar chart, table, and then the histogram is available for us. If I choose an histogram, look at it, the histogram is getting produced, and then parallel, look at it here, the count of profit and the profit of bin is getting generated. The bin is something that we are not generating, it has been automatically created by Tableau in order to perform a histogram, simple as that. So this is what an idea of creating an histogram. Maybe if I choose a tree map now, cool, look at it here, it's the count and then the price of it. Maybe if I go for what is that, box and whisker plot, look at it here, it's like aggregating the value. I don't want an aggregated value, don't summarize it. Maybe like I don't want to use this profit. Now I would take profit. Cool, look at it here, a cool visualization comes in, a box plot comes in on top of it, where I made that aggregated measure is been disabled so that it works effective, and then on top of it we are able to see the upper scale, lower scale, median. This way the value comes in. So these are the other selections. Maybe parallelly, like if I do aggregate measures and then I choose one segment, yep, look at it here, and this should work effective, and parallelly a pie chart would work, and then highlight tables will work, and then a simple heat map will work. Maybe on top of heat map, if I add some more layers, ship mode to columns, well then look at it here, the different ship mode comes in. Cool, look at it here, first class, same day, second class, standard class, which means that out of this, the huge box is basically from standard class consumer segment, which means that is what the high profit comes in for a business, simple as that. So this is what a sample creations of the visualizations which is available within Tableau to do a better idea. So based on the selections whatever we are making, on top of it ideally the other charts is getting recommended for us. Maybe a circle map, maybe if I choose a date, again a tree line chart comes in, again a discrete line chart comes in, a continuous comes in, a area map comes in, area, discrete, continuous, everything has been getting power here, circle map comes in. So this kind of options is available, and then like it by default produces two negative comes in. So it's basically this two negative is something that where profit has two negatives that cannot be bubbled on, simple as that. That is what an idea of given you. Cool, then yeah, so this is what an idea of creating a cool visualizations using Tableau. Let's see one by one in the upcoming videos. Yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.